This is an introduction on how to prepare a data file for analysis using a program known as SIDE, which was developed by researchers at Carnegie Mellon University. First, we typically prepare an Excel sheet that includes students' written responses to different items and dichotomous human scores of the responses, that is, if the concept we're looking for is present or absent. Let me show you the example of human scored responses. This Excel file shows how we scored student responses for a key concept of natural selection, known as variation. As you can see, this file includes student responses and the human ratings in binary format. The SIDE program can only use CSV formats, so we need to change the Excel file into CSV format. Before doing so, we need to clean the dataset. This includes removing all symbols and numbers from the responses. One poor approach for removing these features is doing so manually. A much better way to do so is to use the Excel program's replace function. So let's use that. Click Ctrl and F. The replace window is being shown. Put the 1 in the find what and just leave replace with empty. The Excel program will remove all the numbers 1 in the student responses. In this way, you can quickly remove numbers and symbols. We need to do that for all the different numbers and all of the different symbols in the data set before we save it and import it into SIDE. It's important to point out that you cannot remove the asterisk and question mark symbols. Let me try doing this. As you can see, the Excel program removes all of the text when you put the asterisk symbol in the find what box. So you can skip these two symbols, which is no problem for the program. Now we've removed all of the numbers and symbols from the data set, but we need to do one more thing. We need to change the scoring numbers, which are listed as ones and zeros, into text. In our case, true or false. Again, we can use the replace function to achieve this. Now that we've cleaned the data set and we've changed all of the dichotomous scorings to true and false, the last step is to save the Excel file in CSV format so that we can import it into SIDE. This is quite easy. Simply click the Save As button and choose .csv format and save the file. And now we're ready to import it into SIDE, which will be discussed in the next step of the video.